Hi, my name's Oscar from the Poke Bros, and we're going to open the Kanto Friends Mini Tin with Eevee. We've taken the foil off. Time to open. We have let me guess, an Eevee coin. That's not Eevee. Let's just go straight to the pack. Obsidian Flames. The energy, the code, Beazle, Smoliv, Varoom, Sunderlip, Malamar, Grumpig, Bellybolt, Reverse Hollow Snubble, Reverse Hollow Masquerain, and Melmetal EX!
Go on!
Now to foil these.
Now for the second pack of the tin, I'm going to open it. See what we have inside. The code. The energy. Lileep. Bombridder. Electabuzz. The Chonk. Salazzle. Drifblim. Papaya Berry. Reverse Hollow Luminion. Ooh, full art Milcelery. Oh, yes, that's a nice art. And a full hollow Grimmsnarl. That's a good pull, that. That's the whole tin.